My name is Roy Fodumotegi, Resolution Project Fellow and founder VERMI FARM Initiative. Initiative focuses on promoting an integrated solid waste management systems by raising awareness around vermicomposting through trainings and workshops to farmers. The project focuses on promoting food security, environmental conservation, and climate change. Vermicomposting deals with feeding of the organic waste to earthworms, which consume and produce casting that is very nutritious, and when used for crop production, it increases the yields as well as the quality of the crops. For us here, we are starting with it's a startup. VERMI FARM Initiative is a startup. And first of all, we are doing the vermiculture. Basically, vermiculture is the rearing of worms. For us, we started with the 2 per the 6 beds. So we will first of all want to increase the number of worms from 12 kgs to 36 kgs that are going to support us to recycle the waste. We get our waste from quarry markets just in Rongai. We sort the waste because we just need the organic waste for the purposes, and then we pre-compost the waste for 15 days, 2 weeks, 7.5 days. After every 7.5 days, we turn the waste. Then after the other 7.5 days, we feed the waste to the worms. Basically, these are the worm beds where we have the worms inside, and we put the waste after every 15 days. See, from that side, they are closed on top to control the amount of light that gets into the beds. So these are the vermicasts. This one, vermicasts. That is the castings. After the worms have eaten the waste, they produce the waste in form of castings. That is the organic fertilizer, very nutritious. So these are worms trying to bore into, because they don't like light. They go into hiding every time they come into contact with the light. The boxes is where some of the worms, you can see, they come into hiding. Some of them lay eggs in between. This is the worm castings. The worm castings, also the organic fertilizer in itself. So once the process is finished, you are going to dry the castings and then harvest in form of the foliar fertilizer. You can see some of the worms from the bed. So the wood chips increase the carbon, they support to increase the carbon nitrogen ratio of our fertilizer, because the organic waste is full of nitrogen. So we add the old chips to increase the carbon ratio to our organic waste, to make it more nutritious, because the plants we are looking into, when we come up with the organic fertilizer, we look in terms of the carbon nitrogen ratio as the main components of the fertilizer. So we also regulate the temperatures of the bedding, because high temperatures, they can make the worms to feel a lot of heat, and consequently they can die. So we add some water in between that we also collect in form of the worm tea or the vermi liquid.